Repetition entities streamlines the creation of sketches in SolidWorks, and we'll see how to do that in this class. Open the available file and let's go. SolidWorks provides two commands for repeating sketch entities quickly, which are linear and circular sketch pattern. Let's look at how to use linear sketch pattern. First we start a sketch on the face shown and draw a rectangle, defining it. Next, we activate the command linear sketch pattern and we need to define directions and the number of copies. But before that, let's define the entities for the repetition, so that the preview is shown and assist us in defining the command. Click on the Entities to Pattern box and click on the entities that form the rectangle. See, we already have the preview displayed. For direction 1, we leave the direction as x-axis, set the distance between copies to 15 and the number of copies to 3. For direction 2, we leave the direction as y-axis and set the number of copies to 5. See that the copies are out of the play. We click reverse direction to correct. We set the distance between copies to 11 and confirm command. See that we create a repetition of rectangles easily and with few dimensions we define them all. Now let's look at how to use the command circular sketch pattern. With the command circle, we draw a circle and scale as shown. We activate the command circular sketch pattern and then select the entity for the repetition, so that the preview will assist us in defining the command. Next, we set the number of copies to 6 and select the circular edge for the direction. We have confirmed the command and see that we have the circular replay created correctly. Simply apply a few dimensions to define the sketch. Circular and rectangular repetitions can be applied to any type of geometry and make it much easier to work with parts that require this type of pattern. Confirm this sketch and save this piece, as we will use it further in our course. We learn in this class how to create repetition of sketch entities quickly and conveniently, making modeling easier.